voiceover. Hello and a warm welcome back to our channel. Today, we delve into a topic that piques the interest of many, mastering the German language. Whether you're a novice or advanced, these tips will aid in enhancing your German skills and accelerate your progress. Voiceover. Tip number 1. Immerse yourself in the German language. To learn German swiftly, it's vital to surround yourself with the language as much as possible. Watch German films and series, listen to German music and podcasts, and try to read as much as you can in German. The more you expose yourself to the language, the faster you'll progress. Voiceover. Tip number 2. Create a study plan. Set clear goals and devise a plan to achieve them. Schedule regular study times and stick to them. Structured learning aids in making consistent progress and staying motivated. Voiceover. Tip number 3. Utilize language learning apps and online resources. There's a plethora of excellent apps and websites that can assist you in learning German. From vocabulary trainers to grammar exercises to language exchange platforms, exploit the diversity of digital resources to boost your language skills. Voiceover. Tip number 4. Practice speaking. Speaking is a crucial part of language learning. Seek opportunities to converse with native speakers, be it in language courses, tandem partnerships, or language exchange groups. The more you speak, the more confident you become in handling the language. Voiceover. Tip number 5. Make mistakes and learn from them. Don't fear making mistakes. They are a natural part of the learning process. By making mistakes and learning from them, you continually improve and deepen your language skills. Voiceover. Tip number 6. Stay patient and keep going. Learning a new language requires time and endurance. Be patient with yourself and don't give up, even when it gets tough. With continuous dedication, you will achieve your goals. Voiceover. And finally, tip number 7. Have fun with it. The most important thing is to enjoy learning. Find interesting topics that motivate you and relish the process of learning German. Scene script. Voiceover. Those were our 7 tips for learning German fast. We hope you found them helpful. If you have further questions or would like to share your own tips, feel free to leave us a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to not miss out on new videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.